Going away for the weekend, don't stress about overpacking. Here's how to pack light and still have everything you need. Start with a small bag or backpack. Roll your clothes instead of folding. Choose versatile pieces, one pair of each. Pack your travel essentials. Pack your gadgets, your umbrella, your water bottle for hydration, your wallet, and a brush if you keep your hair. Wear your bulkiest items like your sneakers and your jackets. And you're set to go. Our video targets travel lovers, especially students and young professionals who enjoy weekend getaways but hate carrying too much luggage. The title, How to Pack Light for a Weekend Trip, works well because it's clear, searchable, and speaks directly to the travelers who are our target audience. If you like travel tips, like this, subscribe for more smart travel hacks.